In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Apple Calendar. First, let's start by opening the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. You can easily find the Calendar app on your home screen. It has a white icon with a red number indicating the current day. Once you tap on that icon, the app will launch and you will see a view of your current month along with any events you may have scheduled. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the upcoming actions. You want to ensure you are in the right app before proceeding to add a new calendar. Next, tap the Calendars button located at the bottom of the screen. This button will take you to a view where you can see all your existing calendars. It is essential to know which calendars you currently have and where you might want to add a new one. Once you tap on this button, you will notice a list of your calendars, along with options to manage them. This makes it easier to organize your events and keep track of everything you have planned. Now, from that screen, tap on the Add Calendar option. This button is typically located at the top of the list of your existing calendars. Once you tap it, you will be prompted to enter the details for your new calendar. This step is significant as it allows you to customize your calendar according to your needs. You can create separate calendars for work, personal use, or any specific project. After that, enter a name for the calendar. Be sure to choose a name that clearly reflects its purpose, such as work schedule or family events. This clarity helps you quickly identify the calendar later on. As you type, you will see the name appear in a text field. This small yet important detail ensures that your calendar is easily recognizable. You can take your time to think of a name that suits your needs best. Next, choose a color for your calendar. The color selection is important because it adds a visual cue that helps you differentiate between multiple calendars at a glance. You will see a color palette pop up, allowing you to choose a color that resonates with the theme of your calendar. This could be a calming blue for personal events or a vibrant red for work-related tasks. Selecting the right color enhances your organizational strategy and makes it easier to manage your schedule. Once you have chosen a color, select the account where you want to save the calendar. You might see options for iCloud, Google, or any other accounts you have linked. This choice matters because it determines where your calendar data will be stored and synced. Make sure to pick the account that aligns with how you want to access your events. This ensures that your calendar is always available on all your devices linked to that account. Finally, tap Done to save your new calendar. After you tap Done, you will see your newly created calendar appear in the list. This confirmation reassures you that your new calendar has been successfully added. You can now start adding events to this calendar right away. Note, if you're using a third-party account such as Google Calendar, remember that you may need to create new calendars from that provider's website instead of the Apple Calendar app. Once created, they will automatically appear in Apple Calendar after syncing. This step is vital to ensure you have all your calendars in one accessible place. By following these steps, you can easily add a new calendar in Apple Calendar on your iPhone or iPad. Happy scheduling!